So a particle is performing uniform circular motion. So this is the center of it. This is the center of the circular motion, and uniform circular motion means covering equal number of revolutions in equal intervals of time. Suppose if it is moving with uniform circular motion, let us assume some sense of direction, either it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Let us assume that it is moving in a clockwise direction. So we already know that the direction of velocity is along the tangent, in the sense that means the velocity here at this point is along this direction. The velocity here at this instant is along this direction. It's along the tangent. Here at this point, velocity is along the direction. Because velocity is a vector, we know that velocity is a vector. Vector has got two attributes. One is magnitude and the other is direction. Even if either this or that or both changes, vector changes. Here velocity is a vector. If magnitude changes, velocity changes. Direction changes, velocity changes. You know that the direction keeps on changing. Velocity is changing in uniform circular motion. Velocity is changing. Second thing, acceleration is change in velocity by time taken. As long as velocity is changing, there is acceleration, and the acceleration is also changing like this. How? Because when the object is moving from here to here, the velocity changes from this direction to this direction. Hence, the acceleration will act towards the center. When the velocity moves from here to here, when the velocity changes from here to here, then here the acceleration is toward the center. Because the acceleration here we are talking about is a centripetal acceleration, so which is always acting toward the center. Then the acceleration keeps on changing the direction from here, but it is constantly acting toward the center, but the direction keeps on changing. So in uniform circular motion, though the acceleration is there, the acceleration is also changing its direction. Hence, when we say acceleration, we should say that acceleration is changing. But the value of acceleration does not change. Acceleration is v square by r. Centripetal acceleration is v square by r. That means it is v dot v by r. When you multiply two vectors, you will get a scalar. Through dot product only we can multiply, then you will get a scalar v square by r. Though the direction of the acceleration changes, the magnitude of the acceleration is v square by r and does not change. So if a particle moves with uniform circular motion, its velocity is changing, but magnitude of velocity is not changing. And acceleration is changing, but magnitude of acceleration is not changing. If you look at the options, in option D, the speed means the magnitude of the velocity here. The speed and magnitude of accelerations are constant. So the option D is the correct one here. Because in option A, they said velocity and speed are constant. Here speed only is constant, but not velocity. In option B, acceleration and speed are constant. They are saying speed is constant, but acceleration is not constant because the direction keeps on changing. In option C, velocity and acceleration are constant. Both velocity and acceleration both are not constant. That is the choice. So our option here is option D.